Akbar, Birbal and pot of wheat. Once Emperor Akbar became very angry at his favorite minister Birbal. He was so furious that he asked him to leave the kingdom. Birbal, his most obedient and royal minister, left immediately. He started working on a farmer's land in an unknown village. He even took up a new identity. Month passes and Akbar started missing Birbal. Regretful of his decision, he wanted Birbal back. He sent his soldiers to find him, but they failed to locate him. So Akbar devised a trick to draw Birbal out and bring him back. He sent a message to every village head asking them to fill a pot with wheat and send it back. If unable to do so, they were to fill the pot with diamonds and jewelries. With this message also reached Birbal. Since wheat is not a thing, the village folk did not know how to fill pot with it. Birbal took the pot and said he could fill it in a month's time. Birbal took the pot with him and headed to his farm, where he had planted some watermelons. He selected a small watermelon and put it in the pot. He started taking care of it, and soon the watermelon grew in size, so it was impossible to remove it from the pot. He then cut the watermelon from the vine and sent it back to emperors with the message, "Please remove the wheat without cutting it from the pot and without breaking the pot." Akbar immediately realized this was Birbal's work. He went to the village himself and brought Birbal's bag with him. Moral of the story: wit and presence of mind can help solve the strangest of problems. The farmer who brought her the wealth. The thief who robbed the merchant. One day a rich merchant went to the Birbal and complained to him that his house was robbed. He also told him that he expects one of his servants to have robbed the house. Birbal went to the merchant's house, rounded up all the servants, and asked them who robbed this house. As accepted, the robber did not come forward to confess his crime. Birbal had come with a way to find the culprit. Birbal then handed a stick to each servant and told them that the robber's stick will grow in 2 inches longer the next morning. That way they will be available to identify who robbed the merchant. The next morning, Birbal asked the servants for the stick and pointed out the culprit to the merchant. The robber had reduced the length of the stick by 2 inches, attempting the stick to grow by the next morning. That's how Birbal figured who the robber was. Moral of the story: no matter how hard you try, you can never hide the truth for long. Thank you.